Hi, my dear friends and dear children. Today we are going to discuss a very important project to work. So that is to verify Pythagoras theorem by Bhaskara method. To verify Pythagoras theorem by Bhaskara method. So to complete this project work, we need 4 steps. So first one is PRK. PRK means prerequisite knowledge. Prerequisite knowledge. Then second, we need procedure. Then third one, observation. So by doing the process, what we observed, so that is called observation. Then fourth one, so we should verify the result. So these, by using these 4 steps, so we are going to explain this project to work. Okay, so first of all, I'll introduce briefly what is PRK. What is PRK in this project? So PRK means prerequisite knowledge. That means to complete this project, what are the previous knowledge we are going to have? So first one is statement of Pythagoras theorem. That means the definition of Pythagoras theorem. Then second one, formula for the area of right angle triangle and square. So we should know the formulas for area of right angle triangle and as well as area of square. Then third one, the identity a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this is what we should prove. Okay, now so these are the 3 basic prerequisite knowledge to complete this project. So we will see one by one in detail. Now we will discuss statement of Pythagoras theorem. In a right angled triangle, the square on the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares on the other 2 sides. So let us take a right angled triangle ABC. So in this right angled triangle, so the longest side, that is AC, is called hypotenuse. Then so the distance from A to B, that is perpendicular to base, is called nothing but height. And so the base side BC is called base. So in symbolically or formula, so hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus height square. Hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus height square. So we can write it as AC square is equal to BC square plus AB square. So this is the statement for Pythagoras theorem. So now we will discuss formulas for right angle triangle and square. Now we will discuss formulas for the area of right angle triangle and as well as square. So area of a right angle triangle is equal to half into base into height. So that is, we can write it as half b into h units. Suppose if this is the right angle triangle, so here this is the base B and this is the height H. So here base into half of the base into height is nothing but area of a right angle triangle. So area of a square, so square means 4 sides equal. So if a side, you can take it as S, side into side, that is side square. So if you observe carefully, so if I divide this square as 2 parts, so this is nothing but one right angle triangle. So two right angle triangles is equal to nothing but one square. Okay, here side into side, so base into height, so half of the square. Right angle triangle means half of the square. So that is what you should remember very carefully. Then we will go for identity of a minus b whole square. Right, now we will discuss the identity a minus b whole square. So according to algebraic formula, the given thing a minus b whole square means, so 2 times a minus b into a minus b. So these two are binomials. So you can multiply a with a and again a with b. So again you should multiply b with a and b with b. A into a square, a into minus b, minus ab, minus b into a, minus ab, minus b into minus b, minus into minus plus b square. So a square minus ab and minus ab 2 times, so that is minus 2ab, then plus b square. So this is the identity of a minus b whole square, a minus b whole square. Then let us go for procedure. The next I'll explain procedure. Now let us discuss procedure. Point number 1 in procedure. Take a chart paper and draw a right angle triangle. Sides are A, B and C units as shown in figure 1. Okay, right. So what is the first point? Take a chart paper. We should take one chart paper, draw a right angle triangle like this. The triangle sides are A, B and C. So this is a figure 1. This is a figure 1. So we should draw like this by using a chart, one right angle triangle. So second point, make 3 replicas of the triangle shown as like figure 1 from different colored chart papers. So we have drawn one chart paper, so with the same lengths, that means by using the same lengths, so A, B, C. Suppose if you take A as 3 units, B as 3 units, 4 units and C as 5 units. So remaining 3 duplicates of the first right angle triangle also we should use same lengths. So it may be in centimeter or meter. So better to use centimeters. So make 3 replicas of the triangle shown in figure 1. So different colored chart. Suppose this is pink, you can use blue, you can use yellow, you can use white, so or any different 4 color right angle triangles we should draw by using different colored charts. Okay, so let us move for the next steps of procedure. Right. Now we will discuss procedure point number 3. So what is the point number 3? Paste all the 4 triangles to make a square as shown figure 2. So previously we have 4 different colored right angle triangles. So by using these 4 different colored right angle triangles, if you frame or if you adjust like a square, so it is going to be looking like figure number 2. So suppose this is right angle triangle 1, this is right angle triangle 2, this is right angle triangle 3, this is right angle triangle 4. So if you adjust these first 4 different colored right angle triangle like this, so it is looking like figure number 2. So if you observe, see, if you observe first right angle triangle, here C, A and B, so side A, side B, side C. Coming to second, side A, side B, side C. Coming to third, side A, side B, side C. So coming to fourth, side A, side B, side C. So name the square shown in figure 2 as PQRS whose side is C units. సో ఇక్కడ ఏదైతే ఫామ్ అయిందో ఆ స్క్వేరు దానికి PQRS అని నేమింగ్ చేసుకోవాలి. అండ్ P2 కీ డిస్టెన్స్ Q డిస్టెన్స్ C యూనిట్స్, Q2 R డిస్టెన్స్ C యూనిట్స్, C2 S డిస్టెన్స్, R2 S డిస్టెన్స్ C యూనిట్స్ and S2 P distance C units. So here some special part is there. So see, here to here complete this length is B units. Okay now. So this is B units. From that, so up to here A units. So A minus B, A lo nunchi B subtract cheyadam. So this like a small square part is there na. So the length of each side of this square, so you can think that this is A, B, C and D. So the length of each side is A minus B units. The length of each side of small square ABCD is A minus B units. Then let us move for point number 5 in procedure. Right. Now we will discuss point number 5 in procedure. A square ABCD of side A minus B units is formed inside the square PQRS. So అంటే ఈ PQRS అనే స్క్వేర్ ఇన్సైడ్లో ABCD అనే స్క్వేర్ A మైనస్ B అనే లెంత్తో సైడ్ యొక్క లెంత్తో ఫామ్ అయింది. The area of the square PQRS is equal to, so the area of the square PQRS, so P2Q, Q2R, R2S, S2P. So this is 4 sides equal of C units. So this is equal to area of side A minus B units. That means area of a side ABCD plus 4 identical right angle triangles. So PQRS యొక్క ఏరియా, ఈ ABCD అనే ఏరియా ప్లస్ ఈ 4 ఐడెంటికల్ ట్రయాంగిల్స్, డిఫరెంట్ కలర్స్లో మనం తీసుకున్న 4 ఐడెంటికల్ ట్రయాంగిల్స్ ఏదైతే ఉన్నాయో, సో ఈ 4 ఐడెంటికల్ ట్రయాంగిల్స్ ఏరియా ప్లస్ ABCD ఏరియా యాడ్ చేస్తే సో ఏరియా ఆఫ్ PQRSకి ఈక్వల్ అవుతుంది. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ద ప్రొసీజర్. సో బై యూజింగ్ దిస్, సో వీ షుడ్ observe some observations. Okay, సో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఐఎమ్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయినింగ్ వన్స్ అగైన్. ఒక రైట్ యాంగిల్ ట్రయాంగిల్ సైడ్స్ ఏబిసితో తీసుకొని సో సేమ్ లెన్స్ యూజ్ చేస్తూ 3 more ఐడెంటికల్ రైట్ యాంగిల్ ట్రయాంగిల్స్ ప్రిపేర్ చేసుకోవాలి ఆఫ్ డిఫరెంట్ కలర్ షీట్స్. ఓకేనా. సో వీటన్నిటిని కూడా ఒక స్క్వేర్ లాగా పేస్ట్ చేస్తే దట్ ఈజ్ లుకింగ్ లైక్ PQRS. సో ఇక్కడ ఈ PQRSలో ఐడెంటికల్ ట్రయాంగిల్స్ రైట్ యాంగిల్ ట్రయాంగిల్ 1 2 3 4 అండ్ ఇవి ఈ PQRS స్క్వేర్ లాగా అడ్జస్ట్ చేసిన తర్వాత మిడిల్లో స్పేస్ ఏదైతే ఉంటుందో సో దట్ ఈజ్ లుకింగ్ లైక్ ఏ స్మాల్ స్క్వేర్. సో వీ కెన్ కాల్ ఇట్ యాజ్ ABCD. ఓకేనా. సో వీ షుడ్ యూజ్ డిఫరెంట్ కలర్స్ ఫర్ దిస్ 4 రైట్ యాంగిల్ ట్రయాంగిల్స్. ఓకేనా. సో ఆటోమేటికలీ you are get different. So whatever it is the remaining empty space for the square ABCD. So now let us move for the observations. Now let us go for observation. From figure 1, from this figure we have side A of the right angle triangle. So that is A units, side B of the right angle triangle, that is B units, side C of the right angle triangle, C units. By using the Pythagoras theorem, so we can calculate it as so A B C. So Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So AC square, that means C square, is equal to AB square, that means A square plus BC square means B square. So from this what we can write? So A square plus B square is equal to C square square units. C square is equal to A square plus B square square units. A square plus dash is equal to C square. So A square plus B square is equal to C square. So from the figure 1, so these are the observations. So from the figure 2, so we will observe area of right angle triangle and so remaining concept. Right. So from the figure 2, so we can observe from figure 2 we have area of one right angle triangle. So this is right angle triangle. So area of right angle triangle half into base into height. Here base is B and height is A. That means B into A or A into B. Half AB square units. So from figure 2 we are going to have 4 right angle triangles. So area of 4 right angle triangles is equal to 4 into area of one triangle. So here, so 2 1s are 2 2s are. So 2 1s are 2 into AB. So 2AB square units. So area of the square of side A minus B units. So this is the area of 4 identical right angle triangles. So we have to find area of ABCD whose side is A minus B units. So this is a square. So area of the square of side A minus B units is so side into side. So you can write it as side into side. So that means side square. That means A minus B whole square. Okay. So A minus B whole square is equal to A square minus 2AB plus B square. Then let us go for second point, second observation from the figure number 2. Now we will discuss, so point number 3, area of the square PQRS of side C units. సో ఏదైతే ఈ బిగ్ స్క్వేర్ ఉంది PQRS, సో హ్యావింగ్ సైడ్ C యూనిట్స్ ఏమవుతుంది, సో సైడ్ ఇంటూ సైడ్ సైడ్ స్క్వేర్, దట్ మీన్స్ C ఇంటూ C స్క్వేర్ యూనిట్స్. సో this is equal to, this area of PQRS is equal to area of this 4 right angle triangles plus area of small square ABCD with side A minus B. So before we find area of 4 right angle triangles, so that is 2AB plus then area of small square A minus B, that means A minus B into A minus B, so A square minus 2AB plus B square. Here 2AB and minus 2AB gets cancelled, so remaining A square plus B square, so A square plus B square. So generally by using the Pythagoras theorem, so AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So simply you can write it as the lengths of the sides C square is equal to A square plus B square. This is general Pythagoras theorem. So what we proved that, so by using the Bhaskara's method, so finally we proved that C square is equal to A square plus B square. So hence Pythagoras theorem is verified. Pythagoras theorem is verified. So now we will discuss the result. Okay, right. So until we discussed how we can prove Pythagoras theorem by using Bhaskara method, so you can conclude the result. We have verified the Pythagoras theorem by Bhaskara method. So generally Pythagoras theorem is hypotenuse square is equal to squares of the base and height. So that is nothing but simply AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, or in other terms C square is equal to A square plus B square. So by using the figure 2, so we have proved that C square is equal to A square plus B square. So this is proof of Pythagoras theorem by using the Bhaskara's method. So this is the one of the most very important project work for 10th standard, so which was given by one of the famous international school. So thank you children. So keep watch all this video without skipping, so you can get definitely a good knowledge. So thank you children, and thank you very much.